This whole video is going to be talking about Ben and Anders in a certain way. Ben and Anders both work for me, and they have made it really possible to do some of the things that we're doing. And I kind of got this idea from watching Cletus McFarland's videos, but I decided to do something for them just because, like I said, they do a great job. They're a huge part of the business, and they're great for the YouTube videos. Wow. Anders! So I figured I would do a little bit of a Christmas gift for both of them. Ben does already know about his because I had to talk to him about it, and we will be picking it up later today. These are more functional gifts that I know that they can use in their life that they either don't want to buy or they can't buy, or it's just things that are annoying to spend money on that I figured would be really useful for them. Like I said, Ben knows, Anders doesn't, and his is supposed to be here today, and so we will hopefully get his reaction. I don't know how he's gonna react. I don't know how I'm gonna react because I'm not really good at surprising people with this kind of stuff. So for Ben, at his house, he's got it's actually a nice garage. It's a big garage with 10-foot sidewalls, and both of his garage doors are very old. One of them has an opener that doesn't work and the other one does not work. The smaller one is a 9x7, and so I purchased him a new insulated garage door and an opener. And so we are going to pick that up today and start installing it possibly. We'll show a few clips of installing it so that him and his wife can park in their garage this winter when we get a bunch of snow. So that will be pretty cool, and I think it'll be fun to do that. I installed my own garage door here on my shop, so I have a kind of an idea on how to do it, and we can figure the rest out. He's pretty smart. He knows how to figure out that kind of stuff. And then for Anders, Anders. Basically, he needs tires on his truck, and so I purchased him a set of brand new all-terrain tires for his truck. And I'm gonna get them mounted. There's a local buddy that buys stuff from me. Scott, if you're watching this, you probably are. I know you are. Thank you for hooking up Anders with good pricing. And Scott is gonna mount the tires onto Anders' truck for us. We'll figure that out. Alrighty, we're taking a car in, and we were hoping that Anders' tires came in, and FedEx is supposed to be here really soon. Even if they show up, he's not gonna know that they're for him. I'm just gonna probably tell him they're for my brother if he asks. But we are taking the car in and going to Menards to pick up Ben's stuff, the garage door, and we gotta go to Home Depot for the opener and grab a few other things, and then we're gonna go start tearing his old one out and start installing the new one. So we'll see you at Menards. Buddy. Hey, what's up? Let's just put the sucker in there.
Yes, sir.
In there.
In there.
Little tap on there.
Little tap in there. You going backwards?
Go on. I'm a big backwards guy. That's not sure how to correct what I just said. If you damage my metal, I'm gonna put a dent in your door.
Oh, jeez.
I forgot about the trailer. Synchronization. Oh boy. Have we even clarified to the video that Hallie doesn't know?
You can say it, just real quick, just in case.
You can say it's your wife.
Okay. For those of you that don't know, my wife is not aware that this is our Christmas bonus from Rob and the burgers. So her and Rob's wife are inside right now talking. Jade's playing distraction game, and we're trying to get it all loaded up and done before Hallie notices. So wish us luck. Ta-da! Belt driven because we're fancy like that. She's asking a lot of questions.
Is she? Don't worry, we don't want the key.
Was that in the English language or is that some native dialect?
I said, don't worry, I already went around.
Is it time to eat?
Nice woman here.
She says it's time to eat.
Okay, we're going to eat, and hopefully we can get Allie's reaction tonight.
A few moments later.
It's already recording. When did I start recording? 50 seconds ago.
Longest 50 seconds ever.
Ooh. That's the longest 5 seconds ever. That's the longest 5 seconds ever. That's the longest 5 seconds ever. Longest 5 seconds ever.
That's the longest 5 seconds ever.
Sorry, I was losing my balance. Yes. Yes. Oh, I couldn't hold on the spring. Dang, you missed it. The spring went flying.
Did it really?
It's just because I lost grip with the pliers, and so it went.
Look at this cutie. I didn't even know I owned this.
Can't even do anything with that. My wife said it's cute too. What does that mean?
Glad Dave wasn't there.
Good thing. I guess it makes sense that it would. I figured if it was all the way up, it wouldn't slam like that, but that's not the case.
Doesn't really. Yeah.
That's gonna be funny to watch that. I don't know why I didn't expect it to fall. I feel like a. Oh my word.
Hi, Dippy. What do you think, buddy?
I think Dippy wasn't there again.
Yeah.
I got it. I got it.
Got it.
I think I just popped this bulb.
Howdy, my darling. Would you get me a dustpan and broom? Any dustpan and broom will do. At 8:45 was the dead cutoff time, which is in a minute and a half.
I know what I can do in a minute and a half.
You ready? I'll have her come out.
Sure. I
give her
mean,
just-
nothing I'm gonna do except stand here.
Got a minute and a half. So this is my Christmas bonus from Rob.
What?
Is a garage door and an opener.
I asked earlier. I had to lie.
We all had to lie.
You guys have such a nice garage. I think it's unreasonable that you shouldn't have a door and an opener.
Thank you, guys.
So, we bought a door. Oh, Dippy wants to be part of the action.
That's awesome.
It was reasonable to get a door, and it's an opener that will work.
Thank you.
And it
smart
was a
opener,
Wi-Fi
too.
opener because I knew Ben couldn't survive with just a regular opener.
Thanks, Rob.
Of course.
And,
It's because Ben's such a hard worker.
wow, thanks.
It was right now because it's the whole point of it is because it's gonna snow. Oh my lord. Dippy, chill out, buddy. On to the next clip.
Indeed.
Bah. So we got most of the door up. We were supposed to video it, but Ben's phone shut off for some reason. We got the old door taken down last night. The old opener, we left kind of the mounting brackets there. We got our panels up and our side tracks just kind of set there for now. Take a look on the outside. Look at that, nice and fresh. The easy part's kind of done now. Just the more setting up all this stuff takes a little bit more time and effort and thinking. Not too bad. On to the next clip. This is Crew, Ben's little brother-in-law. Now, Anders is about to walk in, and I had texted him earlier today saying that I had something to talk to him about, and he had no clue what it was, so he was pretty nervous. Anders!
Oh boy.
What? Are you scared?
Yeah.
No, I planned to do a Christmas bonus this year, and I was thinking, and I was like, we were at Ben's the other night, and I had a thought of something on his house that I was gonna upgrade, basically. But it makes more sense to upgrade it before the snow flies. And I thought of something that I know you needed before the snow flies. And so I bought Ben a garage door and an opener for his garage because they don't have one that works. And I bought you a new set of tires for your truck. So that's the tires that I told you to put in the garage, which Jake put in there.
No way.
But those are for you. So.
No way.
So I thought about doing cash, and I spent on something stupid. That's exactly what I said. You have to do a burnout for your old tires though.
Okay.
And then no burnouts with your new tires.
Okay, that's a deal. I'll make that a deal.
Dude,
That was so scary.
We don't have chrome ones anymore, so.
Dang. Got the fresh meats. What do you mean by that? Anders got the fresh tires on there. Scott hooked them up. Dang, Anders, fresh tires.
Like butter.
Skipping ahead a little bit, we got Ben's door pretty much all done. You can see it's up. Opener is up, and we just cut this last trim piece for the exterior, and then we're gonna have Hallie, his wife, come out and give it a try, see if she likes it, see if she wants us to rip it down. Let's put up this last trim piece here.
Du tar mig inte på det over.
What a throw.
What a catch.
I mean, yeah, I guess.
Hello. This is my beautiful wife. I don't think I've gotten to introduce you to all of our fans. This is my beautiful wife, Hallie. My darling. She's the reason I'm fed and I sleep and I go to appointments. Yeah.
I looked through here to pick them all up. Dang, look at that.
We have never had a car in our garage in a year and some change.
Right now you're already, if she was way more left, you'd already be close to having enough room to pull in over here.
What do you think?
Too deep.
Ta-da! First car in our garage.
Look at that. Can't believe we put it together and it works.
Ta-da!
Look at that.
Just like that.
All right, so you saw all the footage of us putting up the door, getting Andrew's tires. The poor kid, I scared him. Big thank you to Scott again for just being able to hook us up with some mountain of tires. I just felt that I should do this with how much of a help they are around here. They help things just flow. They help keep things organized. They help keep just the levels of work manageable. So, and that's also thanks to you guys that watch and buy parts. I wouldn't be able to afford to do this if you guys didn't buy parts. So thank you very much for everything you guys do. And I hope we can continue to do stuff like this in the future. I will see you guys in the next video.